Alrighty, Navy Sailor doing 3 more boxes, leaving us with 3 left. That's it. So I'm going to hop over to Google. Since they're all 3 his, there's no need for the name random. So it would just be, these are the 6 box numbers left. We'll random it 3 times. Top 3 are his. 1, 2, 3, 16, 10, and 8. 16, 10, and 8. Also, that the previous boxes that we just finished are already up on YouTube. All right, 16, 10, 8, which is, here, let's leave that there. That's your showcase from the first 3. So 16, 10, and 8 are those ones. And then we're left with 2, 13, and 15. Put those over here. Do them 8, 10, 16. Why not? Why not? I'm calling 101 here in these 3. Calling a 101. All right, Kyle Busch. Barry. There's Haley Deegan. Pedal to the metal. And, okay, we'll take some numbered Haley Deegan. Haley Deegan, number 2, 199. And Denny Hamlin. Status? Yep, status relic. Status swatches. We're seeing some brands in these last couple boxes that we have not seen in the first half. I don't think we've seen status yet. It's kind of fun. Austin Dillon, Contenders Ticket Blue. That is numbered to 199. Kyle Busch, Amarola, Vinny Miller, 299. Ryan Preece, Obsidian Autograph. Has an auto facing this way. There, nice. Deegan Crusade Silver. Nice. Haley Limited. 199 Ryan Repko. Oh, 8 of 10 autograph. Denny Hamlin. Denny Hamlin to 10. Eesh. Joey Logano on the silver ticket. Austin Dillon. Jesse Little. Kevin Harvick. Jimmy Johnson. Okay. 10 of 10. Natalie Decker rookie. 10 of 10 Decker rookie. What is going on right now? Number to 10. Mason Massey. Rookie auto gold. What? Mason Massey rookie auto gold. That is 3 out of 10s? William Byron, Spectre Silver. Harvick. Chase Briscoe, red ticket, number 299. Zamora, William Byron. Danica to 199. This stuff is nuts. Bubba Wallace, Matt Schneider. Supergirl, that's Zamora. Yep, Zamora to 25. Supergirl, Spectre Pink. Joey Logano, Crusade Blue, numbered to 199. Brad Keselowski to 199. That box did not suck. Numbered box number 10. Cole Cooster. 99 on the red. 199, Brad Keselowski. Byron, Dylan. To 25, Ben Rhodes auto. Obsidian Signatures to 25, Ben Rhodes. Not familiar with that one. Good looking card. Danica Patrick, Titan, Silver. Double Carl Edwards. To 99, Bubba Wallace. And 99 of 99, Bailey Curry, rookie. Tommy Joe Martins, blue rookie, 199. No, 99, Denny Hamlin. No. Todd Gilliland, Obsidian Signatures. Larson, you got a silver ticket of Brittany Zamora. Elliott, double dipped again. William Byron, number 2, 199. And 49, Ryan Vargas, status swatches to 49. Logano Blue, Phoenix Blue, number 2, 199. There's a Danica to 199. Second one of those you got. Go with your auto. Oh, baby. Haley, oh, God. Haley Deegan auto to 10. Second Deegan of the case. 5 of 10 Deegan autograph. Navy Sailor. That's how you do. My, oh my. Bubba Wallace. Cindric. Zamora. Sheldon Creed. I can't tell, is that purple? 199 Deegan. Tony Stewart. Spectra. Well, oh well. And box 3 of this round for you, Navy Sailor. Kyle Busch, William Byron, Sheldon Creed, Sam Meyer, Bubba Wallace, Blaney, Haley, Ty Gibbs, Obsidian Signatures. Sheldon Creed, Eddie, Harvick, Bubba, Jesse Love, 199. He's back. Clint Boyer, Spectra. Oh. Truex Jr., Earnhardt, Creed, Chase, Newman, Justin Allgaier, XR Sigs. Jesse Love, Alex Bowman, Lassard, Elliott, Brittany Zamora, Schneider, Love, Daniel Suarez. Score Sigs, Daniel Suarez with the mean mask. With the mean mask. Oh, flip these. Ryan Blaney Silver, Tanner Gray, Kevin Harvick, Chase Elliott, more Deegan. 11 of 49. That's sick. William Byron. And Ryan Repko, rookie Sigs. That was weird. That had a Spectra color and an auto. A double dipping pack. And last pack of this box. Danica. There's Deegan again. Phoenix Silver. And Torres, Wallace, Tommy Joe Martins, the 199. And Brad Keselowski, Spectra, Silver, Navy Sailor. That was nasty. There you have it, sir.